How to create Google Sites affiliate marketing website. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So this is basically going to be very good because it is completely for free. You can start it right now and it's not really going to cost you anything. So you're just going to go ahead and go to Google Sites. You can just search it up on Google, just type in Google Sites and it's just going to take you here. And all you need to do really just click on blank site and we're just going to start from scratch completely. I'm just going to show you what really matters and what you can actually do to make this the best possible affiliate marketing site that you can actually do with Google Sites. So we're just going to start off by actually adding a site name. You could just go ahead and do that here from the top left corner. You can just go ahead and add your site's name and also add a logo. Next up, what we can do is just adjust the theme right away. You can just feel free to pick one of the pre-existing themes, or you can just feel free to really customize your own by just clicking on create custom theme and you start customizing it. For this tutorial, I'm not really going to go deep into, designing the aspects of our site, but you can just feel free to really change a lot when it comes to design aspects. So here you can just feel free to create a home page if you want to. You can just really change the text here. I'm just going to do home page. And you can just feel free to add whatever you want in it. But because this is a more affiliate marketing focused website, I'm guessing you're just going to be using blog posts for that. So what we can do to create these posts is go to the pages section. And from here, we can just click on the new page option here right away. And just go ahead and give it a name. Then you can simply just click on done. And now you're just going to have your new page ready to go. And you're just going to also find it on the top here in the navigation menu. And you can feel free to hide it by clicking on the three dots and clicking on hide from navigation. Now to customize things for this specific page, first you can change the image to be whatever you want by clicking on upload here, and you can really just upload any image that you have, even if it's a GIF. It's just going to work, as you can see. And now what we can do afterwards is actually start adding the content in here. So you can add text boxes, images, you can even add different, different content blocks, for example, image with text and so on. And I'm going to actually use that in a bit. But for now, let's just add a text box, make sure that it is going to be the title, and we can just go ahead and add that in here. So test title, even though we have it on the actual banner, but it doesn't really make a difference here for us. I'm just testing things out, and you can just feel free to add another text box, a text box underneath, and start typing whatever you want. Afterwards, you can just go ahead and start adding your images and text and so on. So for example, let's just say we want to add the image of the product that we have an affiliate link to. We can just go ahead and click on upload and upload that specific image. Let's just use this one as an example. And what we can do is start adding some text in here, and we can even feel free to add a button. So let's just go ahead and do that. To do that, first I'm just going to uncrop this image. Second of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the product name. For example, here is just microphone. And then here you can just start adding some text. And to add a button, which actually is going to lead to your affiliate link, is very simple. You just want to scroll down from the insert tab and click on button. And you just want to give it the name. The name is basically going to be what's written on top of it. So get it now. And you're just going to go ahead and pull the link from Amazon or whichever affiliate, marketplace that you have actually signed up to. So for example, if it's Amazon, you're just going to open up a product, click on get link, and you simply just want to copy this link and go back to your Google Sites and add it in here and click on insert. So now it's going to be down here somewhere and you can just move it around, but we just want it to be right down here. So we can just move it like so. And as you can see now, we have a proper image with text, and then we can just go ahead and start adding more text beneath and so on. So you're just going to really build this page however you like it to be to promote this product. Now, I do need to note that you also want to add a text box which says something like this, basically just letting people know that you are going to add affiliate links and you may earn commissions from them. This is a must, and you will just make it a smaller text here. You can just go and really make the text small, so it's not invisible, but people can actually see it, but it's not really going to distract them. This could be at the top, this could be at the footer. It doesn't really make a difference. Just make sure you add that in here. Now, I know design-wise, I didn't really do much. The white background is kind of annoying. You can feel free to really change that. It's up to you. But yeah, as I said, design-wise and what's actually the content in here is really going to depend on you. But this is a proper way to create a Google site and make it an affiliate marketing website. So you're just going to repeat the process by creating another page and another page, and you basically just get the idea. You can even create a landing page if you want for different discussions and so on. Just make sure you click on publish on the top once you're done, and you're just going to add your web address for the first time, and you're just going to click on publish. So I'm just going to go for this one, and I'm just going to click on publish. Now that this is published, you are just going to basically promote this however you like, and you're going to have a proper site. Again, I repeat the designing aspects of this. I did not really go over the design. You can really go crazy with the designs with Google Sites. So don't really worry about how it's going to look like, because you're just going to actually take time through it and really make this look good. You can really resize everything, even the image, for example, like move it like this and so on. So everything is perfect if you actually add the appropriate things to it. Oh, and one last note, just make sure that this is also compatible with mobile. So always check on the mobile view and see how it's going to look like for the mobile users. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.